If you're like me, you heard DMCA Takedown and assumed it was some mysteriously named wrestling move. Unfortunately, we'd both be wrong. So what is a DMCA Takedown and how is it done? What does DMCA mean? The DMCA, or Digital Millennium Copyright Act, is a U.S. copyright law amendment addressing how copyright applies to online content. The three main updates were: protections for online service providers, which allows for owners to inform service providers of infringing content; legal protections for digital works to safeguard against hacking passwords or circumventing encryption; and banning false copyright information, which may prevent false takedowns. What does DMCA protected mean? DMCA protected means that the creator's content is protected by the DMCA copyright law from being stolen or infringed upon. This includes online media like articles, photographs, videos, OnlyFans content, online courses, artwork, audio or music files, software, and more. As of now, it does not apply to AI-generated content. What is a DMCA takedown and what does it do? A DMCA takedown refers to when content is removed from a website or internet platform at the request of the owner of the content. It lets a site owner know that what they're doing is illegal, that you are the original owner of the stolen content, and that you're aware they've stolen your content. It implies a threat of further action if the site owner doesn't remove the stolen content ASAP. In theory, it gets your stolen content removed from infringing sites and reinforces your ownership of your original content as a creator. Usually this comes in the form of a cease and desist sent straight to the site owner. How to file a DMCA takedown notice. Now for the how. 1. Gather your evidence. Time to get your receipts together. Take screenshots of everything you can, including any behind-the-scenes footage of the creation process of the content. These will prove that you're the creator and owner of the content. Take screenshots of every site where you find your stolen content distributed online. Gather the URLs of all the infringing sites. Get as much evidence with timestamps as possible to show that the content was in your possession before it was shared elsewhere. 2. Contact the site owner. Got your receipts? Reach out to the site owner or the site's DMCA agent directly. Here's a template to get you started. Ideally, this is all you need to do, and the site owner will remove the content. Unfortunately, many site owners will not respond to this, and you'll need to go over their heads to the hosting provider. 3. Contact the hosting provider. If they don't respond, submit your complaint to the hosting provider. Popular hosting providers include Facebook, GoDaddy, and Squarespace, among others. The service provider should be able to get the content taken down as long as you provide all the necessary information. 4. Include the necessary information. DMCA law requires that you have the following information in your complaint: your signature, identification and location of infringing content, your contact info, a statement of good faith and accuracy. 5. Escalate if necessary. If you've tried everything to no avail, you may be forced to take legal action. This could mean hiring a lawyer who specializes in copyright law and suing the offending party. Alternatives to performing a DMCA takedown. Why go through the hassle when you can rely on a professional service like ours? We specialize in DMCA takedowns, ensuring your content is protected swiftly and efficiently. Our comprehensive service handles everything from evidence gathering to contacting the site owner and hosting provider and getting the listing removed from search engines. We offer transparent pricing options to suit your needs, whether you're looking for a one-time solution or ongoing protection. Let us take the burden off your shoulders so you can focus on creating while we protect your digital assets. Check out the link in the description below for more information. Is a DMCA takedown effective? A DMCA takedown can be effective if done correctly and with all the necessary information included. So there you have it. A DMCA takedown is a free and fairly easy way to protect your online content.